So now we will look into binary to octal conversion. This is also very simple. So in octal we only use 3 bits. So this is very important. We only use 3 bits. Okay. So now write it as it is 10110.11. Now group 3 bits in this direction before point and after point in this direction. Very simple. Group 3 bits here. First bit here only 2. We will consider it as 0. Okay, here 1 bit. So here after point we will group in this direction. Only 2 numbers are present. We will consider this as 0. Okay, so we will find out the values. So in 3 bits, how it is represented? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So what is the value of this? 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Here 2 to the 1. Sorry, 2, 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6. The value is for this bit is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 26.6. This is the octal number for the binary value 10110.11. So the main thing which you should remember is you should only consider 3 bits for octal number system. So thank you. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.